This is a Reid surface grinder. This unit is currently wired 223 phase and can only be wired 223 phase. If you come over here, this hand wheel moves the table left to right. As you can see, it goes left to right with ease. There's no binding or anything. This hand wheel moves the table in and out. So this is bringing it in. This one here is bringing it out. This wheel here moves the work head up and down. So this is bringing it up. This is bringing it down. If you open up this door here, this gains you access to the grinding wheel and spindle. Flip this open. This is your grinding wheel here. This is a left-hand nut. Both of these are. To change the wheel, you take this nut off. So right loosens it, left tightens it. This back on. You come over here on the side, this is your on and off switch. As you can see right now it is off because of course the spindle is not on. Turn it on, now your spindle is on. First what you want to do, I got a test piece here, you want to put your piece on your magnet. This is a 12-inch Walker magnet. Right now it is disengaged. Rotate the lever clockwise, now the magnet is engaged. As you can see, it's not moving. You're going to bring your table in until you're just underneath the end of your workpiece. Now we're going to do something called touch off. You need to bring the work head down until you just start seeing very, very light sparks. When you start getting close, you need to start moving the table back and forth because you don't want to put a burn spot in your piece. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time, sometimes you can do it really fast. You're better off going slow than going too fast. You can see I've just touched off on the part. Left to right, you can move in. All these handles are labeled with thou increments. So you just bring it in until where you need to grind. If you want to take a bigger bite, you can take a bigger bite. Now for what you're going to be doing, you're going to be grinding, sharpening the knife on your wood chipper. What you're going to want to do is you want to set the pitch, you want to set your magnet to a proper pitch. So you're going to loosen these nuts. You're going to have to find some pieces of steel to put up underneath this to block this. Then you're going to take your protractor and you're going to raise this magnet on the back half to the proper degree. So when you put your blades on it, you're grinding your proper degree, which whether it's 10, 20, 30, 45 degree pitch, whatever degree of angle that you need. After you get that, you're going to tighten these back down. Once you have this magnet set to your degree, you're never ever going to have to touch this again. So all you're going to do, let's say this is your knife blade, you put this on here. It doesn't even matter if it's straight, just as long as it's on here, because you're only grinding one edge. When it's on there, you're going to bring it in. Bring the head down until you touch off. You're going to make a couple passes. You might have to lower the head again, make a couple more passes until you get your blade to the proper sharpness. If you need to take out nicks or any heavy gouges, you can also do that too with this. Let's say if you have a really bad nick on the top, somebody put something in there they shouldn't have, you can also grind the top of the knife edge too. So you can grind this back down to 0, you can start over and resharpen so you have a perfectly clean edge again. If you decide that you don't want to mess around and you don't want to try to pitch this to the way it needs to be, we also have these over here. This is called a compound magnet. So you can see this opens up this way. You put your block underneath here to hold it at your certain degree. And it also opens up this way too. This is another option. This would cost a little bit more, but you can also make that work over there with the protractor and just getting some metal stock behind it to get it to the proper degree that you need. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. This is our Reid surface grinder.